Mr. Narendra Modi announced in Coimbatore today that the central government would promulgate the Employees State Insurance Act and the Employees Provident Fund Organization Act for the benefit of crores of organized as well as unorganized workers in the country. And he also took on the opposition for misleading the people on the issue of reservation and development and for stalling parliament. Tamil Nadu is due to go to the polls to elect its 15th assembly by April.
There are still some months to go for assembly polls in Tamil Nadu, but Prime Minister Narendra Modi's one-day visit has raised the political pitch in the state. When the PM addressed a rally in Coimbatore after inaugurating a medical college and hospital, he not only spoke about his government's achievements, but also breathed fire against his opponents. Giving the example of his government's initiative to enhance bonus to workers by changing the law, the PM said his government has been taking multiple steps to improve the lives of people, only to be stonewalled by the opposition.
लोकसभा के अंदर तो हम काम कर पाते हैं, हो हल्ले के बीच कर पाते हैं, विरोधों के बीच कर पाते हैं, लेकिन राज्यसभा में ऐसे गुस्सा निकाल रहे हैं, मोदी तुझे दिखा देंगे, तू प्रधानमंत्री बन गए, अब देखते हैं तुम्हारा क्या होता है। ये क्या लोकतंत्र का तरीका है क्या? गरीबों की भलाई के निर्णय राज्यसभा में अटके पड़े हुए हैं।
Taking on criticism being heaped by the opposition, the PM accused rivals of conspiring against his government by misleading the people and dividing the nation.
जितने झूठे आरोप इस सरकार पे लगा सकते हैं लगाओ, बार-बार झूठ बोलो, जोर-जोर से झूठ बोलो, एक बहुत ही सोची समझी चाल के तहत देश के टुकड़े-टुकड़े करने का बहुत कुछ लोग कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि उनको सत्ता लोग देते हुए हैं।
The PM also elaborated on how his government has been working for the benefit of farmers and the poor. He mentioned the Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana as a measure to shield farmers from natural calamities. He also referred to the government's big step on the use of biofuel in the country, as well as measures such as transferring 6,000 crore rupees directly to the accounts of cane farmers. The PM said the government has altered the export policy for the benefit of people and the record production of urea in the country last year, which brought huge relief to farmers as well as state governments. The PM also said that disinformation is being spread in the country over his government's commitment to reservations.
आरक्षण के नाम पर झूठ फैला रहे हैं, भ्रम फैला रहे हैं। जब तक बाबा साहब आंबेडकर का नाम रहेगा, इस देश में कोई किसी की अनामत नहीं हटा सकता, कोई रिजर्वेशन नहीं हटा सकता।
Prime Minister Modi seems to be sparing no effort to put his government's work at the forefront of his engagement with people. His move, while being associated with upcoming elections in Tamil Nadu, could also be seen as a message to political rivals that they shouldn't stand in the way of the nation's progress. With Bikramjit Singh in Coimbatore, Newsnight Desk, DD News.